Hey guys, welcome to our website. So let's get started with the first part of module 17. So here I'm going to explain you about Pentaho data integration. So basically it is an ETL tool. So before going deep into this tool, let us introduce you to a scenario or an analogy. As you know that our whole course is surrounded by ETL, right? Where we are extracting data from different data sources, and those data sources can be operational system, they can be flat files or different sources, right? And then we cleanse the data and perform some transaction with the help of ETL tools. As you know that there are different ETL tools in the market provided by different ETL vendors. And then we transfer the data into the data warehouse where the process data is kept, right? And if I talk about the subsets or the subparts of the data warehouse, that is known as data marts. And the information or the definition of data, that means if I tell you in a layman term, data about data is termed as metadata in this process. Fine. And then we process our data and perform the reports with the help of analysis, and the mining tools are used in this process. So I have explained you this whole process previously as well, but previously I was using Informatica as my tool, as the ETL tool. As I told you that different ETL tools are provided by different database vendors. They may be Informatica, there may be Pentaho, there may be any other tool, right? So here the next tool which I'm going to use is Pentaho data integration. This is also an ETL tool. The transactions that are performed in Informatica can be performed in Pentaho, right? But Pentaho is very different from Informatica. Here within Informatica we used to create some sources, some targets and some transformations, right? But here we will deal with jobs, the transformation under it. The transformation of Pentaho and the transformation of Informatica are very different from each other, because within a transformation of Pentaho we deal with many other transformations under it, right? But within a transformation of Informatica we used to deal with the cleansing of data, right? So I will come with within a more detailed format of for this tool Pentaho data integration in my coming modules. Okay, we will create some warehouse, we will create some live projects. I'll show you how to do all of these things, how to perform all the process with the help of this Pentaho data integration tools. So we'll cover all of these things in my coming sessions. So today the first thing we need to do is I'll tell you how to install this Pentaho data integration tool in your system. So for that, let me remove all of these things. Yeah, fine. So the first thing you need to do is to install Pentaho data integration tool in your system. You need to go with this link. You can follow this below link. And one more important thing, see, to run Pentaho, you just need the Java drivers within your system. Why? Because the Pentaho data integration allows you to define connections. The connections that will be related to this JDK, that means Java drivers. And those connections to multiple databases provided by multiple database vendors. Like we can use MySQL, SQL or Oracle. See, when I was using Informatica as my tool, then which platform I was using to create the data warehouse? I was using Oracle as my platform for creating the warehouse, right? But this time when I'm using Pentaho as my integration tool, right? ETL tool. So this time I'm not going to use the same database or same platform. I'm going to use a different platform to create the warehouse, that will be PostgreSQL. So here not only a new tool, I will also introduce you to a new platform, how you can use PostgreSQL in your system. So we will also go with PostgreSQL and Pentaho. both of them together to create warehouses, to integrate the things, to cleanse the data. Okay. So as I was saying that the Pentaho data integration ships with the most suitable JDBC drivers for the PostgreSQL. So you just need to install this JDK. Okay. See, one more important thing is left to tell you. If you are using Pentaho data integration for the first time, then you need to install this JDK. But before using Pentaho data integration tool, if you have already used the Oracle as your platform for creating the warehouse and all, then you don't need to download this because Oracle do come with the JDBC drivers, so you don't need to install it again. Fine? It will by default run it in your system. This Pentaho will run in your system. Okay. Otherwise, if you are not using Oracle previously, then you just need to install this JDK. Fine. As you can know, as you know that I have already explained you about this platform Oracle. So I have already installed this in my system. So this I don't need to install JDK, but still I'll tell you what is the link for installing this JDK. Okay. So let me remove all of these things. Yeah, fine. So the first thing we need to do is we just need to copy this link. What I'll do, I'll just go with this link, Control plus C, and then go to the search engine, Control plus V. Yeah, that is done. The moment you will be redirected to this page, by default the server will start downloading PDI in your system. See, as you can see, a zipped file is about to get downloaded in my system. So it may take a little bit time to get downloaded. So you have to wait until it is completed. Okay. So it may take at least 15 minutes or 10 minutes to get downloaded, to get installed in your system, or it also depends on the speed of your internet, that how much time it may take. Okay. So until it gets downloaded, let us see what all things do Pentaho do. So I was explaining about this tool Pentaho, right? So basically what is Pentaho? So Pentaho lets the administrators and ETL developers to create their own data. That means the data that we are using over here within our data sources, which we gonna extract, we can also create our own data to get manipulated, so that their own data manipulation jobs will, with a user friendly graphical creator, without entering a single line of code. That means here within Pentaho we don't need to go with any kind of code that we were using in Informatica. As you can see, within Informatica I was using a Java transformation. Right, I was using a transformation known as Java transformation, and that transformation, within that transformation I was using some code to clarify, to cleanse the data, right? But here within Pentaho we don't need any kind of a code or to perform the transactions. Fine. So this is what about Pentaho data integration. Not only this, PDI also uses a common shared repository which enables the remote ETL execution. That means we can use a remote ETL execution that facilitates the teamwork and simplifies the development process. So this was all about Pentaho. Let us see how much it is downloaded. So what I'll do, I'll just remove all of these things and I'll check. As you can see, it is showing that 4 or 5 minutes are left. It may take little bit more time than this, because as you can see less than half is done. So I'll wait until it is completed. So as you can see, more than half is done, but still it's showing that 2 or 3 minutes are left, and we'll wait until the zip folder is completed. I have already downloaded this in my system. Still I'll show you how to cope up with all of these things after getting this downloaded. Okay. So let us wait until this is completed fully. So it is about to complete. A few more seconds are left and it is done. So after getting this downloaded, what you need to do, you can just check it from here, but from here it will open the folder and you may go with some security reasons. So I won't do that. I'll go with within downloads and see here I have already downloaded this. I have extracted that file as well, but I'll also show you how to do that. So what you need to do, as you can see, this is the new file which I have downloaded and this is the version of 5.2.0. That means the Pentaho version is 5.2.0. So what I'm going to do, I'll go with extract to PDI, this. And now it has started extracting the file. What it will do, it will just put the whole data in a single folder so that it will be helpful or easy to open up and use it. So it has extracted the folder named as, I'm providing the same name for the extracted folder, right? I'll open this. Here I'm getting a folder named as data integration. So I'll open this one as well. I'll go for Spoon console here. You don't need to do anything now. But for the first time when you are downloading this and you have not run Oracle as your platform within this personal system, then you may not be able to run the Spoon console. Okay, so what you need to do, then you just need to install JDK. So for installing JDK, what you can do, just go for the search engine and install JDK. So when I'll go with this search engine, and here I can see this is oracle.com. I'll go to the downloads of Oracle, and here it is providing the latest version of JDK. So you can just download this from here. You just copy this link, and as you know that I have already told you that you can create your own Oracle account so that you can install Oracle database as well as JDK, all the Oracle products which you want in your PC. So this is the link for downloading this. So as I have already downloaded Oracle as my platform within this PC, so I don't need to install it specifically. So what I'll do, I'll just go with spoon.console, and this will run a Java file like this. As you can see, exe command file has been run, and after that, the Pentaho data integration tool will get opened like this. What you need to do, you can check all the tips, whatever tips they are providing, so that you can explore that database properly. Otherwise, you can just close it. And this is the first page or scenario or resolution that you may get after getting this downloaded. Fine. So as you can see here, I'm getting transformations and jobs, two folders within the Explorer, within the View tab, and if I go with the Design tab, there are steps within it. When I'll work with these jobs and transformation, then it will provide me some steps over here. Fine. So when you are working, when you want to work with a new work area, then you can just go with File, open a new, go with new for creating any job or transformation. I'll explain you what is a job, what is a transformation in my coming sessions. Here we are just learning how to download this in our personal computer. Fine. So this is how you can get it downloaded within your PC. This is the first platform which you will see. Here I can see the perspective and the data integration is there. When I'll create some jobs, then it will come with some process, some steps, and after that I will be able to use this design tab, because this design tab will get enabled. As you can see here, within the file, I can just create new job or transformation from here. I can open any of kind of file which I want, and this one is for importing an Excel file and exporting some data to XML or link sources to XML. There are so many features over here. Edit the cattle properties or snapshot canvas. Fine, we can also go with debugging and running, verifying, impacting. So we'll cover all of these things in a detailed manner in my coming sessions. Okay, so till then, just you need to go with this installation part, and hope you have understood all the steps properly, how to install this in our personal computer, and thank you for joining.